Good afternoon, Cagayan de Oro. It's November 11, 2025, 5:20 in the afternoon, where we're traversing the eastern portion of the city, and from Tablon going down to Gusa. Well, it's practically smooth sailing even at the Kugman Bridge. The bottleneck is not that bad. Just slow down a little bit, but hey, you can pass it through. The traffic, or the real nightmare, is here at Gusa intersection Galaxy. I'm still stuck right now, and traffic light is not working. It's manned by the RTA. Kudos to the RTA for manning the intersection, but hey, the traffic is, well, it's bad. It's gonna put you some delays, probably 7 minutes delay to your trip. The congestion starts right after the bridge. I'm stuck here just before the famous fast food joint here near the exit of Villa Ernesto. So anyway, buckle up, stay safe, and good day to you.